What's been brilliant about Imagine Bamboo at Coventry University is it's enabled us to bring together artworks and performances and research and action research that's been carried out through Imagine Bamboo projects around the country, and to bring them all together here around what will be the 4th UK Bamboo Summit, which is what's happening here today.
It brings together a variety of people keen and interested in bamboo. So we have here today architects, we have growers, we have designers, we have engineers, all coming together to talk about bamboo. It's an event that creates networking possibilities of where we could take bamboo, particularly in the UK, with the aim of creating a UK bamboo industry.
I'm one of the artists that's just been commissioned to work with bamboo in Nuneaton. I was really intrigued to have a play with a new material to see where that could take me.
It's a very sustainable product. It's a very cheap product, so there's lots of it that are good for different things, and obviously the sustainability side of it plays into things really well.
We've brought our show, Bamboo, here today to the Bamboo Summit to share the artistic work we've been doing on bamboo structures. The show has a very environmental message at the core of it, but it's not a show about the environment. It's all there just because of the amazing material that we use. That story is told for us. All the heavy lifting is done for us by using the bamboo. And it's been brilliant traveling around the country and spreading that message and sharing it with the public.
It's clear that we're in a climate crisis and we need materials that are going to be a game changer. We need things that use CO2, are easy to grow and are really accessible, and that's what bamboo is.
We need to move away from materials like steel and concrete that have a huge environmental impact and move towards materials that have a much smaller environmental impact.
Coventry University is ambitious to lead the way in research and design and development around sustainable materials. So this event is an enormous showcase for that ambition, and hopefully will help, together with the other stakeholders in Coventry who are committed to developing a centre of excellence here, for Coventry to be the bamboo capital of the UK.